Hi, my name is Kimatina, and this screencast is going to show you how to create and set up a calendar schedule for parent-teacher conferences using this tool called Calendly. So first you need to go to the Calendly website, which is calendly.com. And if you're already using this by some chance, you can log into your account. But if you're brand new to this tool, you need to sign up. And you're going to click sign up and enter in your school email address. And then once you do that, you're going to click get started. All right, and what you're going to do here is just bypass this and then click here where it says click here. And you're going to type in your name and a password that you want to use with this account. All right, and then what it's going to do is it's going to send you a verification email to your school account. Go in and check your inbox. Also check your junk folder to ensure that you received this confirmation email. Once you did check your email and confirm it, then we will continue to set up your account.